Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file labor annual return. First, it's crucial to understand why these returns are important for compliance and transparency. We'll then identify the specific forms you'll need to complete, along with their respective deadlines. Finally, we'll discuss how to efficiently gather all the necessary employee and payroll information, ensuring you have everything ready before you begin the filing process. This preparation is key to a smooth submission. Now, let's dive into the specifics of what data you'll need. You'll collect comprehensive employee details, including their full names, current addresses, and total wages paid. It's also vital to have accurate records of all statutory deductions, such as Provident Fund contributions and professional tax. Additionally, verify that your records comply with all minimum wage and working hour regulations to avoid any discrepancies during the filing. Once your data is organized, the next step is completing the forms. Carefully fill out all sections of the designated annual return form, ensuring every field is accurate. Remember to attach all necessary supporting documents, like your detailed payroll registers and attendance records. Finally, submit your completed return through the official online portal, if available, or physically at the designated office, making sure to obtain an acknowledgement receipt. To ensure a successful filing, avoid common pitfalls. Always double-check all your calculations to prevent any mathematical errors that could lead to discrepancies. Timely submission is paramount. Late filings can result in significant penalties, so mark your deadlines carefully. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy effortlessly. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.